Hi Dresser Cuties, Whitney here. Today we're drawing a strawberry milkshake. So let's get started. To draw this very yummy drink, let's first start by drawing the strawberry on top. So I'm going to start right here and let's see, draw the crown of our strawberry. So I'm just going to draw a curve and 3 curves and connect it. Giving the strawberry a little hat, and then right here just add in a little stem, and then we're going to come down and build our strawberry right around it. So the strawberry is at an angle, and just make it a little bit narrower at the bottom and connect everything there. And then when you're coloring, you can just put in a bunch of little seeds to make it look more like a strawberry. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and build a cream. So I'm going to come to the sides of my strawberry about right here, and I'm going to start with a curve on both sides. So same thing, and we're just going to build downwards. So maybe one more layer, and we're going to get wider as we go. And one more, nice and wide and thick. And same thing over here. And we just kind of want to end at the same level so that we can go ahead and connect it with a curve at the bottom right here where it sits on in the glass. Okay, so nice and simple, right? Hopefully so far. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and we're going to come in a little bit and we're going to draw our glass. So I'm just going to put in 2 angle lines on both sides. Just bring it in a little bit. And let's just keep going. And I'll work on this side first, so I can just kind of figure out how tall I want my glass. And as always, this is just meant to inspire you, so you can definitely change up your shape, glass shape, as you like. So let's say something like that. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And so just step back, take a look. Make sure we're about the same on both sides, and then just gonna round this part off and connect everything to complete our cup. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's come to the bottom right here, and we're going to draw a neck. So let's say here and here, just nice and center. We're gonna give it a little bit angle, and then we're gonna curve it out. Same thing, and then we're going to draw a base. So spread this part out and then round it off. Same thing here. Spread this part out and round it off, and then connect at the bottom. Just make it look much more special to have it in this cup. And connect. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw in some details. So let's come back up and let's put in a straw. So let's say about right here. I'm going to stick a straw in here. So I'm just going to draw this angle and come next to it and draw the same thing to widen up our straw. So just follow that and then connect it. And then of course you can add in some stripes or whatever you like to decorate your straw. And then let's see, that'd be really cute on this side. Maybe just put in like a heart cookie or candy, something like that. I just feel like I needed something here, so I'm just going to draw this big fat heart at an angle and just stick it right in here. There. And then also when you're coloring, you just put in a bunch of sprinkles and to decorate it. And then the next thing we need to do is to come in here, and we're going to just follow. I'm going to lightly follow the glass shape that we drew all the way around. And the purpose of this is just to make it look like it's in glass. Because I think it just tastes so much better when it's in a glass cup, right? So if you wanted to make it look like that, you can just put in this little edge all the way around. Just a little trick to make it look like it. There. Okay, and then now that we have that, let's bring it to life. So let's say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a circle for some Draw So Cute eyes. And we're going to come across, say about this wide, and do the same thing. There. So now I have my 2 circles in. Let's make them Draw So Cute eyes with 2 small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. And then let's come above each eye and just draw a soft curve. And then of course a big sweet smile, right? So let's say about right here in between the eyes, I'm just going to draw a curve going upwards, cap it off, and then if you like, and open it up to make it extra happy, and then put in a tongue. There. And so then when you're coloring, you can make the whipped cream or whatever it is up here come down a little bit more. So let's see here. If you want to do that, you can do it when you're coloring so there's not this dark line, but you just kind of wobble it across in this area so it comes down, and then this part could be nice and pink, making it a little bit darker if you like. But that is pretty much it for my drawing here of this new yummy milkshake, strawberry milkshake. I really hope I helped you draw this fun and easy, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.